This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and loading the mesh ball so the infusion is even and controllable. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of tea per 8 Oz. Coarse leaves need more space. Once filled to about 3/4, close the latch or screw the halves until sealed. This prevents leaves escaping. Make sure the mesh aligns so water flows freely through the weave. You do this now because proper packing controls strength and prevents clogging, and it saves time when you add hot water. You then heat water to the recommended temperature for the tea type and place the ball into the cup or pot. Submerge fully so all leaves contact water. Stir gently once to circulate and remove trapped air. While steeping, monitor time carefully. Green teas steep 2 to 3 minutes, blacks 3 to 5, because oversteeping causes bitterness. Once done, lift the ball and give it a light shake so excess liquid drains back. This preserves balance and lets you adjust strength instantly. You finish by removing the ball and tapping it against the cup rim to return extra brew without squeezing leaves, which would release bitterness. Rinse the mesh under warm water immediately to dislodge particles, then dry thoroughly to prevent corrosion. If tea drips or the mesh clogs, use a soft brush to clear gaps, or swap to a finer or sturdier ball for dusty teas. This step ensures longevity and consistent flavor. If the clasp loosens, tighten before the next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.